Hello, welcome to Strong Fit Gym. How can I help you today?
Hello, this is my first time here. I want to register at the gym.
Great, I can help you with that. What is your name?
My name is Bella.
Nice to meet you, Bella. I am John. Nice to meet you too. Are you looking for a monthly membership or a yearly membership?
I don't know. What is the difference?
The monthly plan is $30 per month. The yearly plan is cheaper if you stay for a long time.
I see. I think monthly is good for now.
No problem. We can start with monthly. I need some information. Can you fill this form?
Yes. What do I need to write?
Please write your name, age, phone number, and email.
Okay. Writes on the form.
Thank you. Let me check. Everything looks good. Now I will explain the gym rules.
Okay.
1. Please bring your card every day. 2. Wear sports clothes and shoes. 3. Wipe the machines after use. 4. Do not drop heavy weights. 5. If you need help, ask the trainer.
That sounds easy.
Yes, the rules help everyone stay safe. Would you like to pay today?
Yes. Can I pay by cash?
Yes, cash is okay.
Gives money.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Here is your membership card.
Thank you. How do I use it?
Just tap your card at the entrance. The door will open.
Okay, good.
Would you like a short tour of the gym?
Yes, please.
Great. Follow me. This area is for cardio, treadmill, bikes, and rowing machines.
Nice. I like the treadmill.
Over here is the weight area, dumbbells and machines.
I want to learn how to use them.
We have trainers who can help you. And this is the stretching area.
Good. I need to stretch more. Are trainers free?
We have two options. Free trainers who help with basic questions. Personal trainers who help with a plan.
I think I need only basic help now.
No problem. You can ask any trainer on the floor.
Do you have classes?
Yes. We have yoga, dance, HIIT, and cycling classes.
Wow. What time are the classes?
The schedule is on the wall, and also on our app.
Great. I want to try yoga.
Yoga is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
Can I start working out today?
Yes, of course. You can start anytime.
What do you recommend for beginners?
For your first day, maybe 10 minutes walking, 10 minutes biking, and light stretching.
That sounds good.
Here are the lockers. You can keep your bag here.
Do I need my own lock?
Yes, please bring your own lock for safety.
Okay, I will bring it tomorrow.
You are all registered now. Do you have any more questions?
No, I think that is all. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Enjoy your workout and welcome to the gym.
Thank you. I'm excited to start.